Okay, there's a snow truck out there. This more than likely will be one of my last videos. Streets are still crammed. It's 10:30. Everything is still buried. People are still stuck. Their cars are still stuck. There's somebody walking in the street. You can actually see the water now. This is snow. The beach, you don't see any sand. There are people shoveling. Salt trucks going back and forth. And how much snow? You can't really see it because it's all white. They at least cleared some of the street, but it's at least like thigh high out there. You can see the car buried right there at the corner on the left side. The white truck is passing them. Some more people walking in the street. Snow is still falling, actually, believe it or not. You can't see it on here, but it's still falling. I wouldn't be surprised if you catch snowflakes falling here or there. I can see them all falling from the camera. Alright, God bless us all. It's beautiful out here. Even though we went through hell yesterday, it's worth it. It's beautiful. Trees are buried. Look at the trees. Alright, I'm out. Love, peace, and soul.